let's try some heatless curls using this little foam contraption thingy that somebody gave me. And I am also going to try this Refashionista Curl Air Dry Cream. Now my hair, actually, I washed it today and it is pretty much dry. I just let it air dry. The ends are still pretty damp though as well. Well, actually my whole head is still pretty damp, but this is what it looks like, my hair, when it just air dries from being washed, and there's nothing in it, just a little bit of leave-in conditioner, that is all. So it is quite wavy, and I think I am gonna have to test out this, you know, curl enhancing wave technique that's going everywhere online. But anyway, today we're gonna try this thingy. So first thing I'm gonna do is brush out my hair. So when I brush out my hair, it just kind of goes all frizzy and awful. The positive thing with my hairline though is I don't really need a comb to do a center part. It just really kind of does it by itself. And to use that foam rod, you need to have your hair parted straight down the middle, apparently, all the way like in the back as well. So I don't know if it's straight down the middle, but I'm sure it's good enough. Okay, so I have everything here down on each side. That makes sense. And this comes with these two adorable little scrunchies, so I'm guessing those go on the ends. But now I'm just gonna pop this on kind of a little bit forward because I'm gonna sleep in this, so I don't want it too far back. And I'm gonna just clip it in place there. Oh, that's very lovely. And now I'm not going to take a lot of hair, I don't think. I mean, I have a lot of hair, but I think in each strand, I'm just going to grab, how much is that? I don't know if you can see, about that much. And then wrap that, whoops, around. And then I'm going to bring that to the front and then grab another clump of strands of hair here and put that all together like that, and then wrap that around. And you can see here, this is now the two clumps of strands of hair. And now I'm gonna grab some more, just like that, and put that together and stick my eye patch back on and put, whoops, that around. This is the first time I'm doing this, so hopefully it's gonna be okay, but I'm just gonna keep doing this on this one side, just grabbing another group of strands and then wrapping around, and I am trying to do it quite tightly. But yeah, I'm gonna do this and we're gonna come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm at the very end here. I have no more hair to grab, so I'm just gonna twist this end piece around as tightly as I can. My hair's in layers, so I've been kind of shoving it up as I've been going. Okay, and now let's see if this is gonna hold. And do I need to put this up? Maybe? I'm not sure. I can get that through here. Just, is that gonna help a little bit if I do like that? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But now I'm gonna go do the same thing on the other side. And here we are. I have both sides all done, and I made it extra secure here with some more scrunchies because it wasn't holding all of my hair, and maybe it's because I have lots of long layers in my hair, I don't know. But now it's super secure, and I think it should hopefully stay all night. But I am definitely thinking this is looking like 1990s Dracula kind of bouffant hair. Do you remember that? How it was all like bouffant and hilarious and weird. Did anybody else have a massive crush on Gary Oldman after seeing that movie in the 90s? It kind of stole my little Gen X heart, how he played Dracula. Anyway, time to go to sleep, and then we'll take it out and see what it's gonna look like in the morning. Oh, this is what it looks like all the way around. So it is the next morning, and as you can see, it absolutely made it through the night, which I wasn't sure if this was actually going to stay in my hair because I'm a side sleeper and a bit of a tosser and turner, but it really did. So now let's, I guess, just pull it all out and see if I can. I made this really, really tight. Do we do one side and then, wow, do one side then the other? Or should we just, let's just do both sides, eh? Let's just do both sides. Okay. What? I would definitely say this worked. This is crazy. Wow. Let's see. These curls are so tight I can barely get my fingers through them. Wow. Okay, so I'm not really sure what to do now, if I just kind of need to let them rest for a bit. I do have some spray, but I don't actually think I need any spray. That is amazing. That came out so well. But you know what? I'm going to go out and about and do everything I have planned for the day. And we'll see how well these curls are going to hold up to, you know, riding the bus, doing some shopping. And let's head out. So we're now on the second day of these lovely curls here. And I just slept on my hair just as it is. I didn't put it up or anything. If I would have done that, I think it would be more curly, but I wanted to see what would happen. And look at that. It's just, you know, some nice little waves cascading down, framing my face. So I definitely think this no heat curls rod, I don't even know what it's called, is well worth the investment. I mean, I've seen them for like $5 to $10 online. So if you want to, you see the results are pretty good, and you get at least 2 days of wonderfully, perfectly styled hair. So definitely, oh yeah, I'll put a link down below to one that I think is okay. It's a cool little set, and yeah, let me know what you think.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.